Many conventional shopping trolleys take up too much space and are not easy to put away for storage. After placing them in the trunk, they haphazardly roll around. That's why we'd like to introduce you to the newest addition of our lineup, the Kuhn Rikon trolley. Our trolley has a large, spacious capacity, holding up to 50 kilograms in mass. Despite its toughness, it is generously light, weighing only 1.9 kilograms. It comes in an eye-pleasing, sleek, black and white color scheme inspired by Swiss design. The pull handle engineering was designed to be suitable and easy to pull for people of different heights. Even when fully loaded, it is able to move smoothly. Having two free-moving swivel wheels allows for greater directional control and added stability. Meanwhile, the composition of the wheels has passed salt spray testing to ensure they won't easily rust or corrode. Common trolley casters are attached with a single simple screw prone to pressure. Our trolley casters, however, are assembled with two screws for even support and have durable carbon steel bearings with great endurance. These casters provide smooth movement time and time again. For further resilience, our wheel housings are enclosed, limiting the accumulation of water and sand. All these details may seem minor, but these small touches are pivotal in achieving perfection and functionality in design. Constructed with flexible support tubes, our trolley retains its rigid structure when in use, yet easily folds for convenient storage. When shopping for groceries and carting them home, the separation of particular products is very important, whether it's the cold from the hot or the wet from the dry. With unpartitioned trolleys, cold food may come into contact with warm, leading to spoilage. Not to mention how messy they may get when frozen food thaws. To prevent those situations, our trolley is designed with an upper partition to separate items of different temperatures. You can transport frozen and cooked foods together without worrying about the negative consequences. Because the upper partition is separable from the trolley, users can divide the weight as they are loading their goods into their trunk or carrying them up and down the stairs. You won't have to carry a single heavy weight at once. The distribution of weight using the upper partition reduces the chances of wrist and back injuries. The whole trolley, including its inner lining, are made with water-resistant fabric, making it easy to clean and maintain, even with its stylish white color. With safety in mind and to ensure our consumers are free from contact with harmful substances, our materials have passed SVHC testing in compliance with US FDA and EU REACH standards. When not in use, it can be conveniently folded for compact storage. We sincerely hope this brand new offering of a classic white waterproof shopping trolley will bring an even better culinary experience to our Kuhn Rikon friends.